Hello everyone. So this time I'm going to show you some of my collections of the plants. So this time I'm going to show you some of my old hybrids of anthurium. So the this one is long before I hybridized. Uh, uh, Lima, white Lima, and Oaxaca variety, Anthurium oaxaca. This one is variegated of Oaxaca and Lima varieties. So again, I am going to show you some of my hybrid. That is hybrid of flowering hybrids. So this one is my flowering hybrid, and this plant is the other two plants are two flowers are died now, but this one is light pink, and in one plants this is my new hybrids. So it is having one plant having three flowers. One is white, one is light pink, and one is white, and other one is greenish. So this one is this one is my latest hybrid by me of the flowering anthuriums. So I'm going to show you my nursery visit regarding my hybrids of so this one is my hybrids. This is a hybrid between the Beachy hybrids and Oaxaca. So this one is my white hybrids. You see the whole spadix is white now, and this is this is also my hybrids. This is white hybrids. So I am having this hybrids, my own hybrids plants. So after some times, so these plants will in mature formation, this is likely to be a green wave, green anthurium, so light green. So this is my hybrids. So again, I'm going to show you some of my other hybrids also. This one is also my hybrid. This one is, you see, this is a light pink, and so many. I am going to show you my the jungle of my anthurium, and I have made the anthurium gardens into a small arid gardens like Amazon. So you see, I have also mentioned mini Amazon arid flora and fauna. There are most of fauna is also living here in my nursery. So this is my all old varieties, old rare varieties of anthuriums. So this one is my this one is my collections of many varieties of anthuriums. So you can see the leaves of these plants. So this one is also my hybrids. So I'm interesting one plants, that one is this one is, you see, this one is Beachy Kinga or Warkenum hybrids. This one is hybrid. So so I have crossed between this one hybrids spadix into this this one is Anthurium fustomerandia. I have crossed between the Anthurium fustomerandia and Beachy hybrid. So this one is my old hybrids, like beautiful leaves of the brownish leaves, and it will grow little bit greenish, dark greens. So this is my hybrids between the Beachy hybrid into fustomerandia. So this will be quite grown. So I am going to try to propagate these plants, but unfortunately I don't have only one plants. So sorry for my viewers and customers, don't ask this plant. This is because this is only one specimen plant here in my stock. So I am not able to give you these plants, saplings or anything. So other plants you will get in my nursery also. So this is particularly, so this plant is going to above the 8 feet height. So I have to make more upwards my greenhouse. So I have to repair. I am going to repair soon my this greenhouse. So this is my tour. I have so many varieties, and you see one interesting variety that is Anthurium Hochsiteoxyrens. You know that Hochsiteoxyrens of Anthurium. The history of this Anthurium that is native to, you know, Anthurium. This Hochsiteoxyrens is native habitations of tropical America. So this Anthurium, especially this Hochsiteoxyrens is going to endanger status, and that endangered status is documented by, so in 2019 and publication by the study of Orchidaceae in Mexico in Barricos. So this document that documented by the great scientist, arid scientist, the Tom Crote. Yeah, Tom Crote himself identification of the arid scientist. So he documented these plants, Anthurium Hochsiteoxy, in 2019, that endangered species of Central America, which there is a real nature habitation. So I have conserving and selling also these plants. You may ask if someone is interested for the Hochsiteoxyrens, so I can provide some of the saplings of these plants also. So this one is my tour of my small Amazon garden of exotic floral nursery. So you may visit except Thursday. The all working days are open, so you can come here and enjoy my mini Amazon garden. So next time I'll go you entire garden. So this is my small part of my garden. So thank you for watching. And if anyone is viewing my this video, so kindly you may subscribe and like also, and share also if you are like. I am not forcing to subscribe, like and others. This is my this one is not my commercial YouTube. I am just sharing my knowledge to know the areas, Anthurium habitations, my personal experience. So You may visit my nursery also in all working days except Thursday. I won't be able to. I am not. Thursday my nursery is closed because I have to go to my local market to demonstration and selling plants uh, in other words. There is called Bihibare Haat. So you may come in my Bihibare Haat stall also. So thank you and thank you for watching. Next time I'm going to make more information about the anthurium and aroids also. The mostly anthurium because I love anthuriums. So for since a very long time, because anthurium is such a beautiful flowers and as well as foliage also. So if you fall in love in anthurium, you ever love anthuriums. So thank you and thank you. I will show you more anthurium in my next video. Please wait. Thank you very much.